Hi and welcome to the unboxing of the Daytools LS-8906 soldering station. Let's take a look at the package. It's fairly small, has a little bit of data on it, what this station is all about, and yeah, there's really not that much to it, so let's open it up. So first of all, we have the manual. That's about it for the manual. Yeah. So that's it for the manual. And then next up is the holder for the iron itself. Then we have the soldering iron. It's the holder for it. Yeah, works. Then let's open it up. We have the soldering station. So the package is empty. Let's get that out of the way and take a look at the soldering station. So yeah. There's the on-off switch. And also the cables are hardwired to the device. There are no connectors. You have a small drawer for something like a soldering tip. You can store a soldering tip in there or something like that. And yeah, this doesn't come off. This is also glued in place. Yeah. Let's assemble it. I assume this goes in here and the soldering iron itself goes. That's all there is in the package. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, leave me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave them in the comment section below. And if you want to support the channel, please subscribe. I'll see you another time. Bye.